Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercenter, and we're taking a look at the 2019 Ford F350 in a Platinum trim and powered by a 6.7-liter Power-Stroke Turbo Diesel V8, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, coming with heavy-duty mud flaps on the front and rear tires, as well as power deployable running boards down below. But let's take a look inside. So here you can see your running boards in action, and first looking into the back seat where you have seating for three comfortably and spaciously. In the middle you have fold-out armrests with two cup holders, as well as having two more in the middle there with a 12-volt, two USBs, 110-volt power outlet, and heated rear seats. Seats can also be folded up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo and reveal your collapsible storage box underneath, which can be locked here at the hinge for added security. And then you do have fitted rubber floor mats throughout the vehicle. This truck does also have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, power folding and telescoping towing mirrors, and then you have three memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, steering wheel, pedals, and your mirrors. And you do have fully power adjustable driver's seat and front passenger seats with a massage function, which is always nice for long trips. And now sitting in the truck with it running, you can see it's sitting at 20,528 kilometers. Moving on to the steering wheel, on the right-hand side you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and on the left you have your cruise controls with distance pacing technology, and then your controls for your screen here, where you can look at things such as your trip and fuel. You have your trip 1 and 2 information, fuel economy, fuel history, and compass. You also have truck info such as your gauge view here, tire pressures, digital speedometer, diesel exhaust fluid, engine info, transmission temperature. You have all of your towing status and information, your off-road status, and settings for features around your vehicle and your screen setup in general. Do also have a favorites view for any of those subcategories for ease of access. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment center, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth. So you do have some options there for whatever you want to listen to, however you want to listen to it. Then you have your digital climate controls with dual front climate and a heated steering wheel so you can keep your fingers warm. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, your navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels, whatever apps you may have installed, and then settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera with a full 360 view, so you're going to be able to see all around your truck and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch view so you can zoom in and hopefully have an easier time hooking up a trailer or something of the sort. Then above your screen you have your diesel exhaust brake, your traction control shutoff, your hazards, lane departure system, and then your camera view for when you're not in reverse, so you have your front view and your 360. And do also have a premium B&O audio system that's Bang & Olufsen, so your music or whatever you're listening to is going to sound pretty decent. Moving down from your screen, you have your physical media controls and your climate controls here with dual front climate, but also heated and air-conditioned front seats with 3 levels each, so you can stay comfortable no matter the weather or climate. To the left of that, you have your 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and trailer brake controller at the bottom. And on the right, you have a 12-volt and 110-volt power outlet. Then down below, you have this compartment which opens to reveal 2 USBs and some space, so you can plug something in from there. Then you have your center console area with 2 cup holders. It can be turned into 4, or if you just want to have more space for your stuff, it is there. And then you have your center locking compartment slash armrest here, which is very spacious, has a removable tray, and inside you have a ton of room with a 12-volt power outlet, so you can plug something in from there. Quickly looking at your column shifter, it does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears, and your tow haul mode button at the end of that. And looking back, you have a power sliding rear window and 6 upfitter switches up here, which can be wired up however you please. And last but not least, a twin panel moonroof up top so you can land the sunshine on a nice sunny day. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.